Okay.
The page number.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, I'm going to tell you the homework and the classwork for this week first, because we have two tasks today. The classwork that we have to see what is the work that we are doing, and the work about this chapter, and the homework, and then today's lesson. As we are going through the chapter, which is basically the graphics in Microsoft Publisher, and you know that this is basically your chapter number 5 that we are going through currently. It is chapter number 5, and right now I am going to explain you. I am going to explain you the questions and answers given on your books, page number 84. The question and answers are given on your books, page number 84. So let me show you the work that I am going to upload in your Google Classroom. Okay. So this is the written work that I am going to upload in your Google Classroom that you need to do. First, objective questions are there. Question number 1 is there for objective questions. This is there on your page number, your page number 84. So you have to write these all questions in your copies. The tab that appears on the ribbon when you insert a shape. जब हम insert shape करते हैं, when you insert shape, so basically there are picture tools. Picture tools are shown. Picture tools is the answer when you insert shape. What happens? If you go to the Microsoft Publisher, take an example. We have got this Microsoft Publisher page. I'm going to take a blank page. Okay. When I go to the insert option and I insert any picture in my publication, now see, when we insert a picture in our publication, which tab is appeared? ये देख लें आप, what is the name of the tab that appears? The name of the tab that appears is called picture tools, picture related tools. This is called the picture tools, and normally it is not appeared. When you insert a picture or you click a picture, you select a picture in your publication, then it appears. Okay. Otherwise, in normal conditions, this does not appear. It does not appear in normal conditions. It appears when you insert a picture or you select a picture. So this is the MCQ number A in question 1. K, what the tab that appears on the ribbon when you insert a shape. So that tab is basically the picture tool. If you click anywhere else in the document, this tab will be disappeared. When you double click the picture or image that you have inserted, this tab will appear. And this tab is picture tools. Second MCQ then is there, the option in illustration group on the insert tab that can insert a picture from your computer in your publication is. So that is basically the second MCQs. All of these is the answers. Online picture से भी हम picture ला सकते हैं. Online pictures can also be used to insert the picture. Picture holder is also used to place a picture in your publication. How? See the example. Go to the insert option. Picture से भी picture आ सकती है. The picture can be inserted using picture option, using online picture option, and using picture holder option. bring one picture holder, then double click on it and go and bring the picture in your document. So all the three options are there to insert a picture. So you can bring your picture from your drive or from your computer or from by Google search. If you write here, you will be able to search from the Google. If you click here, you will be moved to your drive. And if you go there to the file option, then it will browse your PC, your computer. You can bring the picture from there. So basically the MCQs is about the method, okay, how you can bring the picture in your, so all these options are basically available in order to do this job. Then the third MCQs, which is C. C MCQs is there, get the group on the format tab under picture tools that contains the arrange thumbnails buttons is picture tool में in the picture tool arrange thumbnails buttons. Arrange thumbnail buttons कौन सा है? That is basically the arrange button. Arrange button is used. If you go to the picture tools, you will see here why some students are joining late. Some students are there who are joining late, okay? They should not do this. अच्छा, arrange thumbnails के लिए what should we do? We must have some pictures, okay? So I'm going to insert some other pictures from my PC. Just like this is a picture, this is a picture. Okay. Now you will see that arrange thumbnail is active now. In the picture tools, arrange thumbnails, what does it do? When you will click on it, select the picture and click on it, it will make it a thumbnail. Thumbnail means ke it will make it a small icon like. It will become like an icon. It will become like an icon. Thumbnail का मतलब होता है कि which will show you like a very first picture which is shown in the videos or the very first icon that is shown at the display. So that is called basically the thumbnail. So it will convert it into the thumbnail, small icons, visible icons, picture like icons. So this is the option. If you go to the next MCQs, next MCQ is that the option that arranges the text around a picture. जब एक पिक्चर के पास टेक्स्ट हो उसको अरेंज करना हो, then we apply wrap text option. A wrap text option is applied on the picture. Wrap text option is applied on the picture, and some text is there, and you need to arrange that particular text in your document. So how it will work? How it is going to work? It is very important thing to understand. So when you click a picture, you will see that in the format menu, in the home menu, you will see wrap text option. In the home menu, wrap text options are there. How do you want to fix the text with the picture? These are the options that you can apply. Wrap text option is used normally when you are moving your picture inside a text and you are going to arrange the text around your picture. So in that particular situation, you can use wrap text option. Okay, just like if I insert a text box over here, I search some data from the Google. For example, I have selected this text and I'm going to paste it here. This is the text that I have pasted multiple times in my document. Now this is the picture that I want to place in the text. So now this picture needs to be set. Okay, it will be moving. It should not be tight. Tight means okay, it won't be moving in the text. So it should be moving by applying, by removing the tight option. Okay, but since we have got a text box, so in the text box, the text is already aligned. Okay. The last option is the option in the picture style group to add a border of 2 point around a picture. Border of 2 point around a picture. If we click the picture and we go to the borders, see the border, and we take the weight of the border 2 point. Okay. You can see here the width is basically the 2 point given over here. What kind of color is there that you are going to give you? To your picture. So now 2 point border is there in the red color. If we increase it, then you will be able to see that the thickness of the border has been increased. So which option is used? Picture border option. The MCQs is about the basically picture border option. The picture border option say you apply this thing. This is basically the picture border option. Yes, Abdul Hadi. Yes, you want to ask something? Abdul Hadi, please. I have unmuted you. Abdul Hadi, you want to say something? You have raised the hand? Yes, Abdul Hadi.
Sir, why?
Loudly, loudly, loudly.
Sir, why do we have to put the name option?
I am not able to listen to you. Say loudly. Yes, Abdul Hadi. Why you close the mic? If you have got question, you should ask. Bilal Aslam. Yes, Bilal Aslam.
सर आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही.
But I have taken 3 classes from morning and no one complained about it. You should increase the voice of your speaker. Okay. I have taken a number of classes, no one complained about it, and I am speaking very loud as well. And the mic is also perfect. Okay, Bilal?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. That means you are listening. Okay, fine. Now, come to the exercise again. The exercise MCQs we have discussed now. We have discussed the MCQs that the picture border option is there in order to apply the border. Come to the descriptive question. I am going to upload this file. Listen, all of you. I am going to upload this file in your Google Classroom and you have to complete this written work in your Google Classroom. Keep in mind. Okay. Now the question is that, okay, answer the following questions. What are the different sources from which you can insert picture in your publication? As I have already told you, कि हम what are the different sources? Picture option से ही जा रहे होते हैं, but sources क्या है? कहाँ से लेंगे picture? From which option? Option is definitely online picture and picture frame. But when you are inserting a picture, so what are the sources? You can take picture from your computer. You can take picture from Google search, and you can take picture from the clip art. Clip art is also an option. where you have got some pictures from the Microsoft collection, which has been given to you by Microsoft itself. So basically, these are the three areas using which you can insert a picture in your document. So by default, it opens, it browses your computer in order to insert a picture, but you can bring the picture from the okay, from these all options are available over here. Fine. Now come to the next question. How will you swap pictures between a publication page and a scratch area? What is meant by scratch area? Scratch area क्या होता है? What is meant by scratch area? Scratch area is basically this area, this gray area where we are not working. हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? वर्क नहीं कर रहे हैं, but we are placing some pictures over here. Just like I have placed one picture over here. If I go to the insert option, I go to online option and I search flowers. Okay, I am searching through the internet and I'm going to insert flowers. I select one or two or three options. These are the three flowers I have selected. These three flowers will be inserted in my document. Okay, I place, now these are in on the scratch area. Scratch area matlab this is not on the document, it is in a scratch area. I place this flower over here. I place this flower over here. Okay. Now the question is about okay, how we are going to the steps to swap pictures between a publication page and the scratch area. What are these steps? In the scratch area, select the picture you want to swap with the picture in the publication. The selected picture displays the swap icon. Okay, जो scratch area में है picture उसको select करना है. From the scratch area, drag the swap icon of the picture towards the picture on the publication. When the pink boundary is displayed, release the mouse button to swap the picture. Now see, ये picture है. This is the picture. I have placed one flower in my document, but I am thinking that it is not looking that much good. So what I will do, I will take one picture from the scratch area. Scratch area जो मैंने अलग से pictures रखी हुई हैं. These are the pictures in the scratch area. I will bring this picture from the scratch area to this picture. Okay. So, but the previous picture is not being removed, but this is the method that how you can bring the picture from your scratch area to your publication. See the next question now. But before going towards the next question, I should mark the attendance. Okay, I'm going to mark the attendance. So I think Abdul Hadi, Abdul Quddus, Abdul Wahab, Bilal Aslam, Muhammad Subhan Ali, and Muhammad Darab Hussain. These are the students from this class. Okay. Now see the next question. Next question is list the range of graphic options in MS Publisher. कौन कौन से टूल्स हैं जिससे हम ग्राफिक्स का काम कर रहे होते हैं? What are the different tools using which we do the graphics works? Raise the hand and tell me the answer. What are the different tools which are used to do the graphics jobs? Please. Yes. Please raise the hand. What are the different tools which are used to make colors and graphics in your document? Please raise the hand and tell me the answer. Raise the hand. Raising hand option is there in your Zoom. Please raise the hand. Anyone should try whether your answer is correct or not. At least you should try. Okay. Subhan Ali. No one is raising hand, so that's why I'm going to call the name now. Subhan Ali. Yes, Subhan. Unmute your mic. I have already unmuted your mic, Subhan. Yes, Subhan. What are the different options which are used for making graphics work in Publisher? Loudly, loudly. I am not able to listen to you. Loudly. Yes, Abdul Hadi. Abdul. Anyone else? Okay, anyway. So, what we are going to do, we are going to definitely write over here ke shape tool is there, pictures are there, charts are there, word art is there. These all are basically the tools related to the graphical work. जैसे हम के जाते हैं, we go to the insert shapes. These are used in making graphical work. Okay, different shapes are there that you can insert in your document. You can color it, you can change it, you can increase its size depending on your requirement. So these all are the options which are used in the graphical work. Fine. Similarly, word art is the colorful text design option which is available over here. In the insert menu, word art is there. You can insert text in different designs. Different designs are there to insert text. Just like all these things are there that we have already discussed. Okay. Now, these all are the basically things that we use whenever we are designing any publication, and these are related to graphical options, insert charts, word art, color schemes, page design, backgrounds. All these are the options that we can use. Insert background, I had told you with different, options. Now, using your science textbook as an example, evaluate the different graphics features used in the book. क्या क्या graphics features use हुए हैं in your science book? If you consider it, if you will open the science
सर 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 मेरा आवाज नहीं आ रही।
एक और क्लास रहती है ना तेरी।
Hello.
क्या कह रही एक गिलास पानी आप पौने पानी एंड दूसरा डाल देते सारे टाइम खाने आम काट के ना ले तो बाहर
hear you.
Sir, hear you.
Sir,
Sir, I cannot hear.
सर सर ये हम पाकिस्तान स्कूल में स्क्रिप्ट कैसे ला सकते हैं यहाँ?
मेरा तो बंद हो चला फोन।
थैंक यू।
बैटरी नहीं
है लिमिट हो गई है, वो कह रहे हैं लिमिट हो गई, क्लास ठीक है, टाइम हो चुका है।
दीजा हाथ है तेरे दरवाजा बंद कर।